Hi, I'm Aria Sonnet. Welcome back to That Doll Rescue Show. Today we are making a custom corset for our custom Amaya doll. Amaya was a little too sweet for our liking, so we're making her a little more cool and, well, shadowified. We'll be making more videos for this custom doll project, so subscribe so you get notified when we upload the next episode. Enjoy the video. We wrap our model doll in cling film, saran wrap in the US. Then we wrap that in masking tape. We cut out the pattern. Mark out the shape on warbla thermoplastic. Cut out half the pattern. Then use that to mark out the other half. Cut out the other half. Trim both halves so that they match. Using a heat gun, we are warming up the thermoplastic so we can wrap it around the doll's waist. We mark the middle of the back of the corset. Notice we have cut it so there is a gap between the two halves. We want to add drawstrings here later, joining the two halves together. A final trim. Sanding the edges to get a good finish. We are cutting strips for the corset boning. Fixing the centerpiece at the front. To give a smooth finish to the garment, we are using fine craft filler. Now we make small holes for the drawstrings. Acrylic paint really transforms the look of the corset. We will use these beautiful craft pearls to decorate. The best way to apply these is to slide them off the plastic like so. We need to make the holes for the drawstrings wider, so we're using this grinding tip to bore them out. The final stage is a couple of thick coats of gloss varnish to seal all the pearls in place and to give the corset a nice glossy sheen. This black trimming tape ribbon will make the perfect drawstrings. Threading them is easy using a needle threaded through the hole and around the ribbon, then back through the hole. And you then simply pull it through the hole. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe for more from our channel. Come back soon.